Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 8, our very last assignment for the semester, our term paper. The topic is the theme of pulchritude in literary art and in your life, 1,500 to 2,000 words, 120 points. All right, let's survey this assignment. Here we have the graphic, the word pulchritude, which of course is a key word for us throughout this course, and its definition, beauty. We began the class with this graphic in home, and we're ending the class with this graphic here in the term paper directions. All right, let's scroll down and see what else we have on the screen. We have a video about this assignment, and this is a video you're currently watching and listening to. Below it, we have 3 links, the term paper timeline, its requirements, and the workshopping the essay policy, which is a big part of my pedagogy or teaching method and also my grading system. We will click on and read these links after we survey the rest of the assignment, part 1 and part 2. And we also have help with quoting, some links that will help us with MLA format. Okay, let's scroll up. And before we click on and read these 3 links, let's read part 1 and part 2. Part 1. In 1,500 to 2,000 words, 6 to 8 pages, support a thesis and opinion about how important the theme of pulchritude is in literary art and in your life. You may use any of your discussion writings in this term paper as long as you integrate those writings smoothly and logically into your term paper. Okay, what's going on in part 2? Part 2, you will perform 2 peer evaluations, answering 7 questions about 2 of your peers' essays. Click here on this link for peer evaluation directions. So this is a departure from our normal peer evaluations in this course. Previously, you wrote about a half a page in response to your peers' writings. Here you're doing something different. Let's click on this link and we come up with the peer evaluations for the term paper. Please read the directions very carefully. Also read the example answer. And I'm going to scroll down and we can see that we have all the questions here, 1 through 7. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up and click on the back arrow, which will take us back into the term paper directions. And let's click on our first link here, the timeline. So the timeline for the term paper. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, June 2nd, 2019, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, June 3rd, 2019. Now, if you cannot meet this timeline for the term paper, and June 3rd is the last day of the semester, email me immediately in inbox, please, and we'll see what's going on. I'll need to know why you can't submit the paper. To complete the course, you will need to complete the term paper. But if you have an emergency situation, we'll definitely try to work out a solution for you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, and I'm going to click on the second link now, requirements. And so the term paper requirements, what are the requirements? We have 5. You know what the topic is. Support a thesis and opinion about how important the theme of pulchritude is in literary art and in your life. And of course, pulchritude is physical beauty. Okay, its length, which you know is 1,500 to 2,000 words, 6 to 8 pages minimum. 3, quote from at least 4 of the discussion text listed below. Our class readings, and there are links to all of them here. And our 4th requirement, MLA format. Use correct MLA format, 8th edition. And 5, use a variety of paragraphs of the kind demonstrated in the Chapter 1 and Chapter 3 essays in our textbook, This Little Book About How to Write a College-Level Essay, and we have a Chapter 1 link here. Please do not write the 5-paragraph essay. It is not a college-level essay, and we need to write a college-level essay which will contain a variety of paragraphs. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up, click on the back arrow, which will take me back into our term paper directions, and I'm going to click on the last link here, the Workshopping the Essay Policy. So the Workshopping the Essay Policy, you are familiar with it by this point, but let's review it. At the end of the semester, which is now, you will write a term paper. All class writings can be used in the term paper as long as they are integrated smoothly and logically into the paper. If you complete all writings and related assignments and earn a higher grade on the term paper than on previous writings, then all lower grades will be dropped and the term paper grade will become the class grade. Okay, so that is our Workshopping the Essay Policy. I'm going to click on the back arrow here, which will take us back into our assignment discussion 8, the term paper. And I'm going to remind you that I'm over here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, email me right away. Don't hesitate. You're never bothering me. You're never emailing me too much. Email me as many times as you need to until you're comfortable with the assignment and understand the directions. All right, let's get started on discussion 8, our final assignment, the term paper about pulchritude.